What are you doing, girl?
Make chicken.
What are you cooking?
Chicken.
Chicken. Wow! Anong gilagay mo dyan?
Hello. Magic sarap.
Magic syrup. Where's the magic syrup? You show me. What else? Saan ang magic syrup? Yusin mo. What else? What did you put?
Magic sarap.
This one too. Pakita mo. What is that? Show me. What is that?
I don't know.
Crispy.
Crispy chicken.
Okay. Ano pang ilagay? Egg.
Egg.
And, sige, yusin mo, girl. Ano palang want mo pag mag-big na ikaw?
Potato.
You love cooking? You want to cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yusin mo. Mix it. Mix. Is your hands clean?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bago lang ako ligo.
Baka bago ka lang tae.
Hindi ligo.
Aw. Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make it faster. Baka hapon na tayo makait yan. Tell mo, anong ginacook mo?
Chicken.
Chicken first. What will you do to the chicken?
Egg and magic sarap.
And then, what's that? Crispy fry.
Chicken.
Crispy fry. Okay, mixed it. Come on. Mixed all na ba yan? Bakit si ate hindi nag-help? He doesn't want cooking?
Yeah. I don't want.
Ano lang ba pala gusto ni ate?
iPad.
Oh my God. Dapat sometimes lang, no? Sige na. Make it faster. Mix well. Mix the chicken. And then, what will we do next? We're gonna fry
Fries.
the chicken.
Then,
Ano na, coated na ba siya? Okay, mag-hi ka muna. Hi guys.
hi guys.
I'm cooking chicken.
Chicken.
Yun na, sabi mo mag-talk ka. Hope you like it.
Does you like it?
Mag-face ka dito eh. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are you cooking?
Chicken.
Okay, is that good?